Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel and welcome back to my kitchen. Today we are going to make some Salisbury steak patties with some mushroom gravy. So the first thing we're going to use is our 80/20 ground beef. We're going to have 1 egg, some breadcrumbs, Worcestershire sauce, Italian seasoning, granulated garlic, granulated onion, and that's what we're going to mix into our bowl. So let's get mixing. Now this is 3 pounds. You can use less, but I'm going to use the whole thing. That way I have some leftovers. So I got my 3 pounds in there. Put my egg in. Add some Worcestershire sauce. I don't know, 2-3 tablespoons. Add our Italian seasoning. Again, probably about 2 tablespoons. Granulated garlic. About 2 tablespoons. And same with the onion, about 2 tablespoons of that as well. And then we're going to throw in our breadcrumbs. That's about 1/2 cup. And we're going to mix this all together. So you just want to combine everything real well. And then we're going to turn our skillet on. We're going to get that warmed up. We're going to put a little bit of oil in the bottom of our pan. And we're going to cook these for 3 to 4 minutes on each side, just kind of getting like a little crust on them. And then we're going to pull them off and we're going to make our gravy with our mushrooms. All right, so we have all of these into our little Salisbury steaks. The pan is hot. We put a little bit of the garlic infused oil down. We're just going to put these right in the pan. So I'm just going to listen to that sizzle. That was nice and hot. So we're going to cook these on one side for 3 to 4 minutes. We're going to flip them over. We're going to cook them on the other side for 3 to 4 minutes. All right, so we got 4 minutes on one side. I just can't decide how I'm going to pick this up and flip it over. We're just going to turn them all over and we're going to cook them for another 4 minutes. We got our little Salisbury steaks done. I made some meatballs because I'm actually going to make some cast iron pizza tomorrow night. So I'm going to use the meatballs on that pizza. You're going to keep all of your grease and all your little tidbits in here. And you're going to add in your mushrooms. We have those sizzling about, and as they are, we're going to take about 1/4 cup of flour and sprinkle over the top here. We're going to start making some roux for our gravy. So what we want to do is we want to cook this off some. Nobody likes the taste of flour, so we're just going to coat these mushrooms in this, let this cook a little bit. Then we're going to go in with our beef broth, which I don't use beef broth. I use water and beef base. So let's let this coat up here. And even though we have the oil in there, we're going to go in with about 2 tablespoons of butter as well. And as that butter melts down and stirs in with the flour, you're starting to make a little bit of a thickening agent. In the meantime, let's add some salt and pepper. So we're going to add in some salt. And we're going to go in with the pepper. Go go in with a little more onion powder and a little more garlic powder. And some more Worcestershire just for some kick. We're going to add in our beef base with our water. And now we're just going to stir this about and we're going to let it start to thicken up. Now you can take and add in your Salisbury steaks, and we're going to put these in here and we're going to let them covered and cook for 10-20 minutes. Try to cook them the rest of the way and get the flavor out of them into our gravy. Got those Salisbury steaks covered down in there, which is what you want. We got that boiling. We're going to turn it down to a simmer and put a lid on it for 10 to 20 minutes. Look at that. Mashed potatoes, Salisbury steak, mushrooms. Cut right into that. Look at that. Delicious. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Drop a comment down below if you're new to the channel. Thanks for watching, and if you're a return, I appreciate you coming back. Have a great night.